Jingle 2, class. A sentence is complete when 5 simple rules it meets. It has a subject, and a verb, and it makes sense with every word. Add a capital letter, add a punctuation mark, and now our sentence has all its parts. But remember, subject and verb and complete sense with a capital letter and an end mark too. Our sentence is complete, and now we're through. Jingle 5, the adverb jingle. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. An adverb asks how, when, where. To find an adverb, go, ask, get. But where do I go? To a verb, adjective, or another adverb. What do I ask? How, when, where. What do I get? An adverb, man. Cool. Jingle 6, the adjective jingle. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective asks what kind. An adjective asks which one. An adjective asks how many. To identify an adjective, go, ask, get. But where do I go? To a noun or pronoun. What do I ask? What kind? Which one? How many? What do I get? An adjective. Jingle 7, the article adjective jingle. Drop the beat. We are the article adjectives, teeny tiny adjectives. A and the. We are called article adjectives and noun markers. We are memorized and used every day. So if you spot us, you can mark us with the capital A. We are the article adjectives, teeny tiny adjectives. A and the. Hello, 3rd and 4th grade. It's time for grammar. Today, what we're going to do, take your sheet out of your Monday folder. On the front, you've got some question answer flow that we're going to do I'm going to do it on my board, and you can do it with me. And then on the back, we're going to go over a blueprint sentence for today, coming up with our own sentence. You just heard all those jingles, so those will be a huge help as we go through both classifying our sentences and our new concept, or our blueprint sentence. So let's go over our first one together. Remember, you should be doing this with me on your question answer flow part. Sentence 1. Kites flew very high overhead. What flew very high overhead? Kites. Subject, noun. What is being said about kites? Kites flew. Verb. Flew where? High. Adverb. How high? Very high. Adverb. Flew where? Overhead. Adverb. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Later this week, we're going to get to add on to that. We're going to start talking about our end marks. We're going to start dividing it into subjects and predicates. But for now, this is where we'll stop for sentence 1. Let's do sentence 2 together. Sentence 2. Father drove very carefully tonight. Who drove very carefully tonight? Father. Subject, noun. What is being said about father? Father drove. Verb. Drove how? Carefully. Adverb. How carefully? Very carefully. Adverb. Drove when? Tonight. Adverb. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Excellent. Let's use that same pattern then for you to try number 3 all by yourself. So it'll sound like this. Sentence 3. Grasshoppers jumped quickly away. What jumped quickly away? Grasshoppers. What do you put above that? Subject, noun, right? Okay, so keep going. Try this one by yourself. Go ahead, press pause, and when you're done, press play. The second part of our lesson today is making our own blueprint sentence. So we're kind of working backwards from what we normally do. Instead of starting with our sentence and then labeling it in to fill it. So let's start with your name. Put your name at the top. Then where we're going to start is we're actually going to start with our the sentence about. So think of a noun. Remember, we're thinking who or what. Who or what is the sentence about? subject, noun. Well, let's make it about an animal. Third grade, we've been talking a lot about animals in science. I think fourth grade, you guys are talking about animals as well. Let's make it a lion. Subject, noun. See the SN right there? SN, subject, noun. If it copied really dark on yours, keep in mind this one says subject, noun. Above here it says adjective, adjective, article, adjective, verb, adverb, adverb, adverb. All right, so we've got a lion. Then let's think about what is being said about the subject. So what's being said about the lion? The lion did what? The lion, let's say, ran. What is being said about the lion? Lion ran. Now let's think about our adverbs. Remember, adverbs answer the question how, when, and where. So, ran how? Ran, let's just say, quickly. Now notice I put it in the second box. It's because I'm going to use this one for another adverb. I'm going to say lion ran very quickly. How, when, where? I'm going to say when. Say yesterday. So lion ran very quickly yesterday. Now we got to think about our adjectives. When we think about our adjectives, we're thinking about what kind, which one, how many. What kind, which one, how many. So what kind of lion? I'm going to say fierce. The fierce lion. What else about the lion? What kind of lion? Ooh, what about hungry? Sounds funny. The hungry lion. Then finally, I've got an article adjective here. Remember, my choices are either a, an, or the. So we could say a fierce hungry lion ran very quickly yesterday, or we could say the fierce hungry lion ran very quickly yesterday. Either works. I think the sounds better, so I'm going to put the right here. Now notice, right now I only have all my words. I want to make them into a sentence. To do that, I'm going to use all of those words. I'm going to write them with my best handwriting down here, and I'm going to make sure that it has all the things a complete sentence has to have. So first I got to make sure it's got a capital letter right at the beginning. The lion ran very quickly yesterday. Don't forget, I need an end mark at the end. Does it have a capital letter? Yep. Subject, lion. Yep. Verb, ran. Yep. Does it make sense? The fierce, hungry lion ran very quickly yesterday. Yep. And then does it have an end mark? Yes. So we are all done. All right? That is your grammar lesson for today. Make sure that you get that put away in your Monday folder, and I'll see you tomorrow.